Sir, regarding the airport development in Telangana, let me just start by saying that, sir, the only airport that was functional in Telangana was the Hyderabad airport. And then back in the day when Honorable Chandrababu Naidu Garu was the Chief Minister of erstwhile Andhra Pradesh, he envisioned to have a much bigger airport and the first greenfield airport of its kind, and that is when Shamshabad airport came into place, and that became the major operational airport for Telangana and the city of Hyderabad. And for a long time, because the area of Telangana is also quite huge, and the demand was there from multiple areas that we need to have airports, more airports in Telangana also. And let us start with the Mamnoor Airport, which is in Warangal. Mamnoor Airport is one of the oldest airports in the country, sir. It was pre-British era also. There was a very solid operational airport, and until 1983, if I'm not wrong about the date or the year, 1983, there was Vaidut also operating it. And it is with Airport Authority of India. We have approximately 700 acres of land. But the orientation of the area that is available with us, it is up to, we can only have a length of around 1800 meters, which, like, we had a vision that if we want to make the airport operational, we want to have a much bigger runway so that wide body aircraft, we can also have international flights. So we have requested the state government that an additional 250 acres is required. I would like to thank the state government also. They have taken it up on a very war footing basis, and they have given us the land. Now, Airport Authority of India is ready with the planning stage. Procedural due diligence is happening right now, and very soon we want to do the foundation stone. And after that, we are seeing a time of 2 years until which the Mamnoor Airport is going to be operational. It is going to be a big airport where wide body aircrafts are also going to operate, and it is up to a 140-kilometer nautical distance from Shamshabad Airport, and the NOC has also been given for that. So there seems to be no other limitations for having operations from the Mamnoor Airport, sir. Other than that, two other locations that we are actively looking in correspondence with the state government. One is the Kothagudem area also. Kothagudem, one site was already identified, and when we went for site clearance, there were a couple of limitations, obstacles. There were two hills on one side of the site that was mentioned. So an alternate site was also proposed. And in the site clearance process for that, some weather data was requested from the state government, where it is still pending. So we are still requesting the state government to send that data. Once that is given, once the feasibility study is properly done, once it looks totally safe for us to operate from that field, then the site clearance will be given for state to take up that project.